I'm speeding it up so you can watch it a little bit faster. And that's what it looks like when it's done, you guys. Isn't that beautiful? It's really fluffy popcorn chocolate powder with maybe some nuts. Delicious. Okay, now that we got this beautiful bowl of chocolatey popcorn, whatever else is in there.
Munch.
Really looks like Munch now. We're both gonna take a little tester of, let's see what this is like. Mmm. It's so good. It's like the texture of cement powder is super fluffy and whoa, a little mess over there. It's super fluffy and light, extra chocolatey. I recommend it. You recommend it?
Yeah.
Is it good? I don't know what we're gonna do with this. Probably make some more, eat some more. I recommend it, guys.
Yeah.